The Ufology World Congress is the most important holistic and spiritual congress in Europe, and this 2023 returns to Barcelona at the Ilunion Les Corts Hotel this September 22, 23, and 24. Live and learn with us all the fields of human development: numerology, astrology, sacred geometry, dream interpretation, personal development, quantum psychics, canalization, feng shui coaching, past lives, and many more. The Ufology World Congress is the leading event, #1 in Spanish-speaking world, bringing the most recognized experts, with 30 workshops simultaneously for 3 days with Montserrat Sorli, Ingun Ripe, Albert Tobi, Sara Duarte y Nacho Muñoz, Adargoma Mejías, Iris Rainbow Eagle, Frédérique Maraho, Dulce Pombo, Johannes and Coen, David Lemier, Rubén Escartín, Sherlan Valencia, Nieves López, Nuria López and Pere Pascuet, Iris Carbonelli, Roel Fredericks, Manuela Ullram, Paula Manes, Laura DANAE, Cadín Lorente, Natalia Serrano, Suzanne Iwema, Sara Celestial, Maravillas de Magdala, Marten Zoran, Romina Thieben, Luna Roca, Teresa Salamone. Buy your tickets at www.theufologywworldcongress.com. Very limited capacity. Don't miss it. Produce We Are Love.